Hello and welcome to Boost Your Words. In today's video, we're diving into evening routine vocabulary. These are essential words and phrases that you can use to describe your nightly habits and activities. Let's get started. First is dinner. The main meal of the day is often eaten in the evening. Example, we had pasta and salad for dinner last night. Next is relaxation. Activities that help you feel calm and reduce stress. Example, I enjoy reading a book for relaxation after work. Third is television. A device used to watch shows, news, or movies. Example, I watch my favorite show on television before bed. 4. Bedtime. The time when you go to bed to sleep. Example, my bedtime is usually around 10 p.m. 5. Pajamas. Comfortable clothes are worn for sleeping. Example, I put on my favorite pajamas before going to bed. 6. Unwind. To relax after a busy or stressful day. Example, a warm bath helps me unwind in the evening. And the last is journal, a notebook where you write your thoughts or daily events. Example, I like to write in my journal before going to sleep. And that's it for today's video on evening routine vocabulary. Start using these words to describe your evenings. What's your favorite evening routine activity? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily English Vocabulary for more practical English tips.